Watch this video.
Hello guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this management tool to create and delete web partition and also to assign it to a letter. As you can see in this file explorer, I have two drives which were created earlier during Windows installation. You can watch it in the previous video. C drive about 29 gigs, D drive 30 gigs. Total size is about 60 gigs, which is the total size of the hard disk. Now I will open the disk management. Right click the Windows button and you can see its shortcut here. Left click to open disk management. Okay, this is the disk management tool where you can manage drive in the computer, such as to partition, format, assign drive letters, and much more. In the disk management, we can see the hard disk have 4 partitions, including C drive and D drive. Actually, there is another partition which is hidden and is used by Windows system. Now I'm gonna divide the drive into two. First, I'm gonna shrink it to make space for new drive. I select shrink volume to shrink the drive. We can see some information in this windows. This is the original size of the drive. And this is the maximum size we can have after the drive is shrink. Now I key in here the size of space I want. 10,000 megs is about 10 gigs. Now I have the 10 gigs of unused space extracted from the original D drive. I'm gonna create new drive here. New simple volume. Click next. I'm gonna use all of available space. Next. Assigning a letter to the new partition. And F. Giving it a name. So now I have a new drive here. F drive labeled as music. Now I got 3 drives, C, D and F. Next, I'm gonna make C drive bigger. In order to do that, I have to delete D drive. Of course, all the data in the D drive will be gone. Now I expand drive C to occupy the empty space. I use all available space. You can see the size of C drive change from 29 gigs to 49 gigs. Next, I'm gonna delete F drive because I want a single C drive with big space. Same operation. Delete volume, then extend volume. So now I only have C drive with about 60 gigs in size. Next example, I'm gonna repartition the hard disk again and create another 2 drives. Shrinking C drive to create empty space. Create new partition one by one. I'm not gonna assign any letter to this partition yet. This is the third drive with no letter assigned because I'm gonna assign it to E, which is currently used by the USB drive. First, I assign the USB drive to another letter. I assign it to F. Then I assign the third volume which have no letter to E. So this is the final drive in this computer: C, D, E, and a USB drive in F. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye.